Here is a technique we can use to remove blemishes from the skin. I've got the notes on the right side here, and you have access to these also in Google Classroom. I'm going to use the image we used in a previous lesson where we had a blur layer soften the skin. However, what's important is that to make sure that we're working on the background layer, not the blur layer. Technique won't work if we're on that particular layer. We need to be on the original image. So either you can open up another image and just start from the beginning with an image that has not been blurred, nothing's been done to it. I'm just going to go ahead and use this particular one because it's convenient. Now we're going to learn about the clone stamp tool. This is new to us, clone stamp. And the clone stamp is this one right here. Clone stamp. And what that allows us to do is to copy part of the image and place it in another location. Now for removing blemishes, this is how we want to do it. We need a soft brush. We want to set the size of that brush using our brackets to about the size of the blemish that we're interested in removing. We want to make sure that we change the mode of this brush from normal, change it to lighten. And what that will do is it will remove pixels that are darker than the area that we sampled. Then we come to an area very close near that blemish we're interested in reducing or removing. And we hold down the Alt key. And a target appears, and that is the area that we are going to sample or clone and put in a different location. Then click the left mouse button and then hover over the blemish and click just one time. So once again, it's important that you sample or clone the skin that's very close to it. Let me do one more right here. Adjusted my brush size. I'm very close to the original skin. I think I'll take it from right there. Hold down the Alt key, sample with the left mouse button, hover over that blemish, and click one time. If it appears that the change is too noticeable, you can adjust the opacity of the brush. I'll take that down by 10%. Hold down the Alt key, sample again, and click one time. Very difficult to notice that we have made this change. So experiment with several different pictures. Another great tool to have as we have some fun adjusting portraits.